What's up, guys? Tonight we're gonna draw Boltund, the dog Pokemon, and the evolved form of Yamper. Yeah, I know, Yamper has a new form. Even I didn't know that. How was I supposed to know Yamper can evolve? I hope they include this idea onto Pokemon Master Journeys. It involves a Yamper mix-up when Go catches a Yamper and brings it to outside into battle and help catch more Pokemon, possibly, I think, in the Hoenn region. And, well, the other Yamper, the one Go caught, was actually at home, and it was staying with Professor Cerise. Unlike Professor Cerise's Yamper, he seemed a little bit, well, gentle. It kind of liked being neutered and being affectionate. Overnight, when it was giving sugar to its trainer, he would eventually evolve overnight, and slowly the trainer would wake up and notice that Yamper had evolved into Boltund while he was sleeping. Then Boltund slowly woke up and gave him a kiss on the face. That was very sweet of him. It turns out Go and Professor Cerise got the Pokemon both mixed up. That's when that Go's Pokedex chimes in. Boltund has been registered to your Pokedex. Well, that's a surprise. I hope they include that idea. And this goes out to you, creators of Pokemon. I hope you're hearing this, because I'm a good fan of your series, and I don't really want to stop. Anyhow, that's how you draw a Boltund. Please like your mark and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.